Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you on how you can recover password of Robinhood account. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go in for new tab and searching for a www.robinhood.com and press enter. You will be directed to the official web page of Robinhood account. Here you can see the option of login on top right side of your screen. Just beside of sign up, you click on login. Here you will see login form page where you need to provide your account credential, then get logged in into your Robinhood account. As we are going to recover our password, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot your password. Click on it. Here to reset your password, first of all you need to provide your registered email address. Then you need to click on send mail where Robinhood will send an email with instruction on how to reset your password for your Robinhood account. Then go in for further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to reset your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can recover your Robinhood account password. Thank you.